When building or upgrading your PC, the power supply often gets overlooked. But the EVGA 850W, a fully modular 850W PSU with 80+ bronze certification, demands a closer look. It offers the perfect balance of power, efficiency, and quiet operation, ideal for a wide range of system builds. At just 150 mm in length, the compact design fits comfortably into most cases without sacrificing performance. This smaller footprint helps improve airflow and keeps your build neat and tidy, thanks to its fully modular cables that reduce clutter inside your case. One standout feature is the use of 100% Japanese capacitors in the 850W model. These high-quality components ensure long-term reliability and stable power delivery, giving you peace of mind that your system will run smoothly for years without unexpected shutdowns or failures. The EVGA Eco Mode pairs with a 135 mm fluid dynamic bearing fan to keep noise levels exceptionally low. At low to medium loads, the fan actually shuts off completely, creating an ultra-quiet environment that's perfect for both gaming and work setups where silence matters. Safety is another area where the 850W shines. It includes comprehensive protections like overvoltage, undervoltage, overcurrent, overpower, short circuit, and over-temperature safeguards. These built-in features protect your components and help prevent damage from power irregularities. Many users appreciate EVGA's reputation for quality and customer service. Unlike generic brands, EVGA power supplies are built to last and backed by responsive support. This makes the 850W a smart investment that can stay with you through multiple PC builds and upgrades. You don't have to spend a fortune on a gold or platinum PSU to get dependable power. The EVGA 850W bronze model delivers solid performance and reliability without the premium price tag. It's a reliable choice for anyone who values quality and efficiency without compromise. If you're looking for a power supply that combines quiet operation, modular convenience, and trustworthy components, the EVGA 850W is worth considering. Try it when you're ready to upgrade your build with a PSU that truly delivers on what matters most.